My name's Dominic Letts. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Wedgetail Aerospace. The Australian Government, they have a program called the Emerging Aviation Technology Partnership Program. We won a grant in round 2 of that program called the Pilbara Drone Operational Hub. And our project is about a trial of a resupply by drone from and between regional centres. And we chose to do that here in the Pilbara. Phase 1 of that is doing a trial of resupply by drone from Karratha to Roebourne. It's about 30 kilometres.